From drilling sites to digital dashboards, yes, the oil and gas industry is evolving. But the real question is, are you keeping up? Let's face it, the oil and gas sector is no stranger to complexity. From remote locations and fluctuating demand to asset management and strict regulations, businesses struggle to manage their operations effectively. And if any of this sounds familiar, chances are your oil and gas business is facing the same uphill battle. Now imagine one platform that brings it all together. Meet Salesforce, your central hub for operations, assets, and customer intelligence. Using Salesforce, your teams can no longer fly blind. Assign tasks, track equipment, and receive updates, all in real time. There will be no delays, no shortcomings. Salesforce helps you build stronger relationships with partners, vendors, and customers. As a result, you can manage contracts, resolve issues faster, and personalize engagement at every touchpoint. And if you're worried about ESG and compliance, Salesforce takes care of that as well. It helps you track emissions, safety audits, and sustainability metrics, all in one place without maintaining spreadsheets. And you know what ties it all together? It's AI-driven insights from Salesforce that help you forecast demand, optimize inventory, plan with precision, and stay ahead with predictive maintenance. Transformation doesn't wait. It's your time to modernize your operations, empower your workforce, and lead the energy future. Reach out to Greytrix to explore your possibilities.